White labeling is essentially just putting your brand on something else, right? It's actually pretty common in like clothing or supplements. If you go buy a vitamin D supplement, odds are everybody that sells vitamin D supplements is like getting their vitamin D from probably 3 suppliers in the world, and they're just slapping a label on it. And now it's just become a branding company. So that's white labeling, putting your brand on something that somebody else is manufacturing. Where it's a little more complicated and people don't quite understand it as much is there's the software side. So you can white label software and I could just go resell software and make it look like my own software. Or I could white label services, right? So I could go partner with a tax firm and say, hey, I want to sell your services under my own brand. You're just going to do all the delivery, right? I'm going to mark it up. Now you're just playing a markup game. So you don't want to be in the white label game forever because you're not actually creating any value in your company because you don't have anything inherent in the company like delivering the services. But it's a great way to get started because you're just putting like a 30% markup on something and you're selling it. So that's white labeling. And there's a lot of ways to get into it.